once you turn something from a love into a business, you lose. No matter what, I think we all lose the pureness and the purity of it, because you can't have it the same way. Now it's like a clock in and clock out, or you have to think about it a certain way. Like, I went from just making music that was like me writing letters to myself all the time to like, the radio wants to play things and you have to deliver things this way and you have to make something that sounds like this and you have to, and the numbers and the numbers and the numbers. And it gets very like, oh man, why do I even like this? Like, what part of me likes this anymore? And what
Is
part
Blue
of this?
Water Road not that though, or not as much? Where it's like the checklist.
Yeah, I mean, even then, the songs that like, the song you guys picked up, the song that people are pushing is still something that I just made because I liked.
Oh, really? Okay,
it wasn't like
good.
this is my radio song, this is my single. You know what I mean? I've definitely
like,
had.
Come. Yeah, you build it, will come.
Yeah, I had those moments. I had those moments where like the label approached me with a song and they're like, record it, and I'm like, okay, but the one I made is really my favorite, and they're like, let's just go for it, and it was like, I'm pushing this song that I hate and I never liked it in the first place, and now I gotta go talk about it like I love it and with you guys and things like that, and
I love it. No,
I'm like, wow, great song, love it, good tune, But this time I love everything I'm doing.
Yeah.